gotta catch another flight. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night.
Before we leave the house, we gotta have a fit check. And you know I have to wear a custom Carvello Crochets piece. Peep the tag. So today we're headed in the DC area to Cafe Riggs. This train ride was so comforting and I was able to start crocheting immediately. This series is really about me getting out of the house, crocheting in public, networking, meeting new people, and really having a good time outside of my apartment. I really love crocheting in public, and today I'm actually preparing myself to begin this week-long trek of creating items that I will sell for a pop-up shop that I have coming up this Sunday. Well, my train stop is coming up, so let's head over to Cafe Riggs. Having lived in the DMV area for 3 months now, I really wouldn't trade this for the world. Like, I absolutely love trying new places and going to new things and just seeing what the world has to offer. And so I just really love being here. So here's Cafe Riggs from the outside. It's very, very beautiful aesthetically inside. Let's walk in. And so here's my seating area and a panorama point of view from my seat. It's so pretty inside. And quiet, relatively, as well. So I pop in my headphones, put in my drink order, and I begin crocheting. Here I'm working on a cell phone trapper that I wound up never finishing. It's one of those whips that will end up in a bag. But I absolutely love doing pop-up shops. It is rare that I do them because I am typically so busy with orders that I don't get myself out there enough to build new clientele and build and expand my business further. There's also this pressure to have a lot of items to sell at the pop-up, and I find myself thinking now, looking back, that I really didn't need to do that. But now I can fully stock my website. Make sure you check it out. Here is the hat that I finished. This sold at the pop-up. So happy someone purchased it. And finally, my salmon burger and french fries came. Cafe Riggs, y'all did a big one with this one. I finished my meal and it was time to go back home.
What a successful day of crocheting and traveling and just enjoying just a really carefree day. I'm back at my train station, so I'm just gonna walk back to my apartment, but I must say today was a success. It was a great success.
Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and shop on my website, carvellocrochets.com.